In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make ElevenLabs sound sad using just a few simple steps that should take no more than 5 minutes. So, let's dive in and get started with this quick and easy process. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, whichever you typically use to navigate the internet. Once that's open, head over to the ElevenLabs website. If you haven't already, you'll need to sign in. You can do that using your email and password. Alternatively, you can use a single sign-on option if that's more convenient for you. This is a pretty standard process, so just make sure you have your login credentials ready. Once you're signed in, navigate to the text-to-speech section of the site. This is where you'll be doing the bulk of today's work. Make sure you have selected the 11v3 model. This model is essential for achieving the right quality and nuance in your audio output, particularly when you want to evoke specific emotions like sadness. Next, you will see a sidebar on the right side of the screen. Look for the section labeled Voice and click on the name directly beneath it. This is where you can select the voice you'd like to use for your text-to-speech conversion. Spend a moment to browse through the available options and choose the voice that best fits your project. If you're unsure, feel free to sample a few to see which one resonates with the mood you're aiming for. Now, moving on to the content aspect, it's time to incorporate mood cues into the text you want to convert. This is a clever trick to add emotional depth to your output. In your text, include the word sad or unhappy within square brackets at the appropriate spots. This simple addition will cue the model to alter its tonality and convey a sadder, more somber tone, significantly enhancing the emotional impact of what you're trying to convey. After you've crafted your text with these emotional descriptors, go ahead and click on Generate Speech. The system will process your input text and create the audio files for you to review. You'll have the chance to listen to these and ensure that it encapsulates the sadness you're trying to express. This step is crucial, as you want to ensure that the audio meets your emotional and tonal requirements. Finally, if you're satisfied with the result, simply click on the Download button to save the audio file to your device or choose to share it directly from the site if that's more in line with your needs. And there you have it. A perfectly tailored sad-sounding audio file, crafted with ease using ElevenLabs. Thanks for following along, and happy audio creating.